Hello everyone, welcome to Elements of Costing class. Today we will be solving next problem on cost sheet. And this is 5 marks problem. There are some two adjustments, so I have taken this problem. It is very simple. Okay, I'll read out the problem first. A factory produces 100 units of a commodity. The costs are as follows. So direct materials, wages and direct expenses they have given, and factory overheads is given as well as administrative overheads is given, and here selling and distribution overheads is not given. So what they have told, if profit of 25% on sales is to be realized, what would be selling price of each unit of a commodity? It means in this problem they have not given sales, right? But they have given some information about profit. Okay, so considering this information, first we will have to find out how much is the profit and then add it to cost of sales. You will get sales amount. Fine. Okay, write down heading statement of cost for the year ending. Okay, make two columns, particulars and amount. Okay, now here you can mention actually output, output 100 units they have given, that can be mentioned. Fine. Okay, now here first we need to take direct material. Direct material amount is 10,000, amount column. Okay, next step is to take direct wages. Okay, direct wages is how much? 5,000. Next they have given direct expenses. Direct expenses amount is 1,000. Okay, now make total and you will get what? Prime cost. Hope so everyone is understanding. So total is how much? 16,000. Okay, now next we will have to add factory overheads. Okay, now factory overheads already they have given 6,500. Okay, now total of this will be called as what? Works cost. Okay, add it. Total is 22,500. Next, add administrative overheads. Administrative overheads also is given 3,480. 3,480. Okay. Now this will be called as cost of production, but in the problem they have not given selling and distribution overheads. So this itself will be called as what? Cost of sales. Understanding? Cost of sales, in bracket you can write total cost. Okay, because they have not given selling and distribution overheads, this total will be called as cost of sales. Suppose if they have given selling and distribution overheads, then this is what? Cost of production. Understanding? Okay, now here add it. So that is what? 25,980. Fine. Okay. Now they have not given us the sales, right? But they have given some information related to profit, right? Read out that sentence. If profit of 25% on sales is to be realized, what would be the selling price of each unit of a commodity. So for that we will have an working note. Note number 1, calculation of profit. Okay, yes, what they have given, 25% on sales, right? Profit is 25% on sales. Okay, now we don't know how much is the sales, right? Now we will assume sales as 100. Okay, then profit will be, how much they have given, how much percentage, 25%, right? Then cost will be how much, cost will be 75. Understanding this, we have assumed sales as 100, profit is 25% as they have given. So sales minus profit will give you what? Cost. Understanding? Okay. Now next step is cost. Okay, and here we will take profit. Okay, now when cost is 75, look here, cost is 75. When cost is 75, then profit is how much? Profit is 25, right? Profit is 25. Okay, now when cost of sales, okay, total cost is 25,980, then how much will be the profit? How much will be the profit? So this we will have to find out. That is, okay, cross multiplication, 25,980 into 25, then divided by cost. Cost is how much? 75. Now calculate this, 25,980 into 25 divided by 75. So your answer will be, profit will be how much? 8,660. Profit will be 8,660. Okay, now write down here profit, in bracket you can write note 1. Okay, profit is how much? 8,660. Now we can find out sales. Okay, now sales is total cost plus profit, that is 34,640. 40. So this is what? This is sales. Fine. But what they have asked us, the selling price of each unit of the commodity. It means each unit of the commodity we will have to find out. So take down second working note. Note 2. Selling price per unit. Selling price per unit. Okay. Now total sales is how much? 34,640. Right? Now divided by so how many units they have told? Units is already given in the problem, and we have mentioned here a factory produces 100 units of a commodity. So it produces 100 units. So sales divided by I'm sorry. Okay, sales divided by 100 units. So that is equals to 346.4 rupees. Understanding? So this is what they have asked. So what we have done, similar type of problem according to format they have given, but here they had given profit percentage. Okay, so profit is 25% on sales they had given. So sales is 100. We are assuming sales is 100 and profit is 25% and cost. So how you will get cost? Sales minus profit. So 100 minus 25 is 75. Now cross multiplication, cost and profit. When cost is 75, profit is 25. Like according to assumption. Now actually cost we have got is 25,980. We don't know profit. So there question mark. So cross multiplication 25,980 into 25 divided by 75. Understanding? So here we have got profit of rupees 8,660. Understanding? Okay. Now what they have asked us, we have to find out selling price per unit. Right? Now selling price per unit. So sales we know that is 34,640. Okay, here it is divided by, they have given us 100 units. So divided by 100 units. So for per unit, selling price is how much? 346.4 rupees. Understanding? Hope so this problem is clear to you all. The main adjustment was calculation of profit. So I have taken this problem. Okay, many a times in the problem they will give such percentage and you will have to find out profit. Okay, so this is 5 marks problem. Hope so this is clear. In my next class again we will be solving different types of problems. Okay, see you in next class.